The Director of Health Services, Dr. Amanwar, on Monday spoke of the nurse was presumed dead due to COVID. He further said that the nurse was not placed on COVID duty, and while speaking to the media, the Director of Health Services expressed uncertainty on how the nurse, a 33-year-old Manisha Turnia, contracted this virus.
It is even our health workers also. Sometimes they have to go out, they have to go for marketing. So in the process, they mingle with a lot of people. So we can't exactly blame that it is from the hospital. It can be from anywhere. So the instruction is that all the nurses are not to attend office and they have to work from home. In this kind of COVID, health worker cannot work from home. There is no way to work from home. You have to be there physically. Sometimes what happens is that we have casualties. These sad things happen. It is not only COVID, it is with other diseases also. And that is a challenge we always face as health workers, right from the doctors down to the health workers. That is always a challenge for us. And we cannot say that 100% you will never get these infections. I'm not talking only about COVID, I'm talking about other infections. So that is why we ask our staff, we ourselves to take maximum precaution to see to it that this transmission of disease is prevented and avoided at our best level that we can take care of. In the health sector now, we are having a shortage of manpower. It is possible that in a particular hospital, when an employee has already given the information that she's carrying, such health workers are not put on duty in the COVID sector, COVID side. Similarly, this particular staff nurse also, my condolences to the family. What happened is that she was never put on COVID duty. She was working in the general ward. And see, at this point of time, it is very difficult for us to allow. We have got so many now health workers who are carrying. So now I think we have already written to the government that they be accepted for duty and in their place we put replacement. And the government has agreed. You see that insurance is there, okay, 50 lakhs, and then the extra payment is there, and the other facilities which they get from the government also is there.
U Director Katanat Kakoi Kakia Dr. Amanwar hakasngin ning kongolay to ba nurse balaklan nakadaw COVID iklam day satya batre hakajaka sumar COVID. Habakran berkilat patay kubor u DHS ulaong ruba hadu mentah kim patip satya kumnu iti nurse ia bet yaw ti uknyang jingpang. Laban kadaw hang ni ba iti nurse balay play snem kareta itip kerteng kum imanisha turnay ibaklat no nakanikasngi ublay nakadaw u COVID.